Math 111 Module 1 lessons. So first we'll start 1.3, the Cartesian coordinate system or the rectangular coordinate system. So the Cartesian coordinate system means the usual one which you know, this is x-axis and y-axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis, and if you take any point here, usually we write x comma y, means this x is called the x distance and y is called the y distance. This is called the Cartesian coordinates. So first we will find the distance between 2 points. The 2 points will be given and whose distance between the 2 points will be asked. So what is the formula? D is equal to root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Let us take an example so that we understand it better. Find the distance between the points minus 4, 3 and 2, 6. And once the question is given, jump on the problem and write x1, y1 and x2, y2. These are the points. Then you write the formula d is equal to root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, and put the values. X1 is equal to minus 4 here and x2 is equal to 2 here, plus y1 means 3 here, and then minus 6, y2 means 6 here. That is minus 4 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 6 whole square. After that, use your calculator and then you will get the answer. What is the calculator? You have two kinds of calculators. One is FX991ES, another one is FX991ERX. This is a better calculator than this. If you have FX991ES already, just accept it and then we will continue with FX991ES, anything. So now we see the second question. Find the distance between the 2 points 1, 3 and 4, 7. The same thing it is. Same here, these 2 points, and here is different. So D is equal to, write the formula, root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Here x1 is 1 and 4, so 1 minus 4 whole square plus y's are 3 and 7, 3 minus 7 whole square. Use calculator, you get root 5. Another question, find the distance between 2 points 1, 0 and 4, 4. Write the distance formula, D is equal to root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Here x's are 1 and 4, so 1 minus 4 whole square, plus y are 0 and 4, so 0 minus 4 whole square. Use calculator, you get 5. We'll go to the next question. The next part of the lesson is straight lines. What is this? How to find the equation of the straight line is the aim. To find the equation in x and y of a straight line. So in the answer, x and y will remain as it is. So to find the equation, you need 3 things: point, slope and equation. Point is called x1, y1. Slope, here is the formula, m is equal to y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. And the equation is called, formula for equation is y is equal to m multiply x minus x1 plus y1. Y is equal to m multiply x minus x1 plus y1. Here x1 and y1 are called point. Here it is, x1 and y1 are point. M is the slope. From here you will get it, the slope m here. Here x and y in the equation, the equation will be in x and y. The equation x and y for the straight line, this x and y will remain as it is. We should not touch it. X and y, we should not touch it. Here first we'll find the problems on the slope. So find the slope m of the line through the points minus 1, 1 and 5, 3. What is it? What is the question? Find the slope m. What is the formula for slope m? y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. Here jump on the problem, write x1, y1 and x2, y2. So y's are 1 and 3, so 1 minus 3 over, x's are minus 1, 5, minus 1, minus 5. Here you put it, use calculator, you get 1 over 3. We will do one more problem. Find the slope of the line that passes through the points minus 2, 5 and 3, 5. Same question. Here these two are different, here these two are different. Slope m is equal to, write the formula, y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. So y's are 5 and 5, x are minus 2 and 3. So this is 5 minus 5 over y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2 is 2, minus 2 minus 3. You may use calculator, you get 0. So the answer can be 0 and also sometimes infinity. There is no wrong in having this, any answer for the slope. Slope can be positive, can be negative, can be fraction, can be irrational, can be 0, can be infinity. Another question, slope m is equal to 3, 4 and 5, 8. Find the slope. This is the question. So these are x's, this y, the xy. So m is equal to y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. Y's are 4 minus 8 over x's are 3 minus 5. Total answer will be 2 using a calculator. One more question. Slope m 2 and 4 minus 4. Here x is 2, here x is 4. Here y is 2 and y is minus 4. Use the formula y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. That is 2 minus minus plus 4. 2 plus 4 over 2 minus 4. You will get minus 3 answer directly. Let us do one more. Let us do one more. Parallel lines. If I give you two lines, the rule is the line are parallel. Parallel means mitwazi. In that case, the slopes must be equal. M1 is equal to M2. If the lines are perpendicular, that is amudi, in that case M1 multiply M2 is equal to minus 1. This is the rule. So slopes are equal means parallel. Slopes multiplied equal to minus 1 will give you perpendicular. Let us do a problem. Let L1 be the line passing through minus 2, 9 and 1, 3, and L2 be the line passing through 4, 10 and 3, 4. Determine whether L1 and L2 are parallel. So that means the first line is called L1 passing through these 2 points. The second line is called L2 passing through these 2 points. So let us calculate the slope because we want to check whether it is parallel or not. That is this rule, that is the slopes are equal or not, we want to check it. So let me write the L1 slope m is equal to M1 first line. M1, L1 is M1 slope 1. So these are the first points. So this is xy, this is xy. Difference of y coordinates 9 minus 3. See this? y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. 9 minus 3 over x is minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1. Simplify, you get minus 2. L2 is the slope passing through these 2 points. So slope m2 is equal to, again write the formula y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. See this x1 y1 and this x1 y1 are different. This x1 y1 and this x2 y2 are different. Because we are talking about the first line, these 2 points you should take it. We are talking about the second line, we should talk about these 2 points. So y1 is 10 minus minus 4. See this? 10 minus minus 4 minus 4 minus 3. Use calculator to get back. These 2 are equal. See this? M1 is equal to M2. These 2 are equal. M1 is equal to M2. Minus 2 is equal to minus 2. So L1 and L2 are parallel. Let us do one more example. Determine whether the line to the pair of points is parallel or perpendicular. This is the question. This is not parallel. It should be perpendicular. It should be perpendicular. So it should be perpendicular. Let us correct it. It should be perpendicular, not parallel. It should be perpendicular. Perpendicular. Okay. So now let us write the slopes M1 and M2. M1 is the first pair of lines AB. See here, A is given, B is given. So AB, you can find the M1 using the formula. You get the slope minus a half. And CD is the second line. L2 is the CD. M2 you use the formula y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. You get this. So now are these 2 equal? 2 and minus half, they are not equal. So M1 not equal to M2 means not parallel. So then you multiply M1 multiply M2. M1 multiply M2. You multiply minus half multiply 2. M1 multiply M2 equal to minus 1. You say perpendicular. See, here is the rule. If they are equal, you say parallel. If they are multiply, you get minus 1. You say perpendicular. Let us do one more problem. Let us do one more, the other one, main problem. This is find the equation of the straight line in x and y. What are the things you require? Point, slope, and this is the equation. Y is equal to m multiply x minus x1 plus y1. So let us do it. Find an equation of the line passing through the point 1, 3 and a slope 2. So here the point is 1, 3. Here the point is 1, 3, x1, y1. Slope m is equal to 2. What you want? You want to find the equation of the line. So write the equation. This is the formula. Y is equal to m multiply x1 minus x2 plus y1. So y is equal to same. Here, what are the things which will not change? Y will not change, x will not change. x1, y1, m only you have to put it. x1, x and y are remain same. That is a part of the answer. xy is a part of the answer. M is equal to 2 multiply x minus x1 is 1 plus y1 is 3. So multiply y is equal to 2 multiply x 2x, 2 multiply 1 minus 2 plus 3. So y is equal to 2x, 3 minus 2 plus 3 is 1. So this is the answer. This is a symbol for colors. 2 lines means colors. So the equation of the line will be y is equal to 2x plus 1. Let us do the same question. Passing through the point 1, 3 here, 3 minus 4, and the slope is 2, the same slope is 2. So equation of the line, write the formula. Y is equal to m multiply x minus x1 plus y1. M is equal to 2 here, write 2 here. X minus x1 is 3, so I wrote 3, plus y1 is minus 4. So multiply, y is equal to 2 multiply x 2x, 2 multiply 3 minus 6 minus 4. So total it will be minus 10. So remember, in the equation of a line, x and y will come as it is, they will not change. Now let us do another problem. Find the equation of the line that passes through the point minus 3, 2 and 4, 1. Immediately jump on the problem. Write here the first point x1, y1 and the second point x2, y2. What is the first point? Minus 3, 2 is the first point, and second point is 4 minus 1. What do you want? Find the equation of the line. For the equation of the line, you need to have three things. One is point x1, y1, here it is. Another is the slope m, we have to calculate. M is not there here, so we have to calculate. Third one is the equation. x1, y1 is there. Next we have to calculate slope. What is the formula for slope? y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. Here 2 minus minus 1 over minus 3 minus 4. y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. And simplification by using a calculator, you get minus 3 over 7. Write the formula. Y is equal to m multiply x minus x1 plus y1. M x1 y1 only you have to put. Xy will remain as it is in the equation of the line. So y is equal to m is equal to how much? Minus 3 over 7 multiply x minus x1 is here minus 3, x1 is minus 3 plus y1 is 2, here it is 2. Now multiply, y is equal to minus 3 over 7x. This is minus multiply minus is minus, 3 times minus is minus, 3 multiply 3, 9 over 7 plus 2. Here you use calculator, you get 5 over 7, this is same. So equation of the straight line, x and y will remain as it is, and this on simplification you get like this. So the next problem is, let us see the next problem. Find the equation of the line that passes through the points 2, 4 and 3, 7. The same question, 2 points here given, here also 2 points given, same question. So what are the 3 steps you have to have? Point, slope and equation. Point is already there. Now we will calculate slope. y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2, that is 4 minus 7 over 2 minus 3. Use calculator, you get 3. Equation of the line, this is the formula. Y is equal to m multiply x minus x1 plus y1. So y is equal to 3 times m is 3. M is 3 times x minus x1 is 2 plus y1 is 4. So multiplication, 3 multiply x, 3x, 3 multiply 2, 6, 4. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. So this will be minus 2. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. This is the equation of the line. Y-intercept means, now we will have another concept called, instead of giving this point x1, y1, I will simply say x-intercept. Instead of giving this point x1, y1, I will say x-intercept. X-intercept means put y equal to 0. X-intercept means put y equal to 0. In that case, this point will be, look like y is 0. So x will be same some number and y will be 0. Similarly, y-intercept means put x equal to 0 and the point will be x0 and then y is some number, you will have it. What is x-intercept? X-intercept is a point whose y coordinate is 0. Y-intercept is a point whose x coordinate is 0. So simply we put x-intercept means y0, y-intercept means x0. That way we remember. Now let us see. Find the equation of the line that has slope 3 and y-intercept 4, minus 4. Slope means m is equal to 3. Y-intercept means what? Y-intercept means 0 comma y. So this is 0 comma, y-intercept is minus 4, so 0 comma minus 4. Now what do you want to find the equation? Equation means y is equal to m multiply x minus x1 plus y1. Y is equal to m means 3 multiply x minus x1 is 0 plus minus 4. So y is equal to 3 multiply x, 3x, x1 is 0, so 3 multiply 0 is 0, ignore it, insa, plus of multiply minus 4 is minus 4, this will be your answer. So be careful, I will repeat. Y is equal to m multiply x minus x1 plus y1, m is 3, x sava, x1 is 0, y1 is minus 4. On simplification you get this number. Again, let us do one more. Find an equation of the line that has slope m, and y-intercept 4. Here it is minus 4, here it is plus 4. What is meant by y-intercept? Y-intercept is a point with x is equal to 0 and y is 4 only. So equation of the line, write the formula. M multiply x minus x1 plus y1. This is y is equal to 3 times x minus x1 is 0. See this, x1 is 0 plus y1 is 4. On simplification, y is equal to 3 multiply x, 3x. 0, just ignore it. 3 plus 4, plus 4. So this is the equation of the line. Let us do another problem. What is this another problem? Determine the slope and y-intercept of the line whose equation is given. Up to now, I give you point and slope, find the equation. Up to now, we have given you slope and point, find the equation. Now, we are asking the reverse. What is reverse? I will give you the equation, determine means find the slope and y-intercept. I give you the equation, find slope and y-intercept. This is the question. So for that, the rule is y is r bhagi mn. See this? Y is r bhagi mn. This is the formula. Y is r bhagi mn. So in this, what I do is, I will intelligently put y is r bhagi mn. First we will calculate y-intercept. Slope and y-intercept we want it. What do you mean by y-intercept? Y-intercept means put x equal to 0. Here is 3x minus 4y is equal to 8. Here put x equal to 0. Simply x write x equal to 0. 4y sawa 8 here. So you get y is equal to minus 2. So use calculator whenever you have an equation. Use calculator. That I will try to that you find out from the YouTube. I will also try to make a video how to solve a equation like this. I will tell you all these things. That you can either find it from YouTube or wait till I put a video on how to use calculator. Now 3x minus 4y is equal to 8. What do you want? We want to write the slope. So what I do here is, I will use this equation. That means I will keep y is r bhagi mn. So this is minus 4y is equal to this 8 sawa 8 and 3x mn, that is minus 3x. 3x on the right side, minus 3x. So you don't want minus 4, so I will divide by minus 4 here, divided by minus 4 here, divided by minus 4 here, because I want only y. So if I divide by minus 4 here, I get y minus 3 over 4, 8 over 4. So y is equal to, this will be plus 3 over 4x, this 8 over minus 4 is minus 2. This is your m, this is your m, see this here, this is your m, and this minus 2 will be, this minus 2 will be your y-intercept. So immediately after writing like this, you say this is my m and this is my y-intercept. Let us do one more problem. Determine the slope and y-intercept of the line whose equation is 2x plus 4y is equal to 14. How to do? No need these steps, sir. Directly we do like this. So what is the equation of the line? Y is equal to m minus m multiply x minus x1 plus y1. Let us write the equation in y is equal to m multiply x minus x1 plus y1. So that means, in simple, this is the equation, y is r bhagi mn. So that means y is r means 4y is r, left side, 4y is left side, is equal to, this 2x will be this 2x will be when you bring this 2x this side, when you bring this 2x this side, you get minus 2x, plus 14. So now divide by 4 here, divide by 4 here, divide by 4 here, and divide by 4 here. Why you are dividing it? Because 4 divided by 4 is 1, you want y like this. So y is equal to minus 2 over 4 is minus half. Minus 2 over 4 is minus half. 14 over 4 is 7 over 2. So this will be the answer. This is your m and this is your y-intercept. This is your m and this is your y-intercept. So my y-intercept is minus half and slope is minus half and y-intercept is 7 over 2. Now once again, remember your old class. What is old class? When they are mitwazi, that is parallel, slopes must be equal. When they are amudi, slopes will be multiplied by minus 1. Using this, how to change the equation? Suppose, what is the question? The question will be, I will give you one line, you find another line which should be parallel to the given line. This is given line, ax plus by is equal to c is the given line, and we want to find the parallel line. So for that, write the answer directly. ax means sawa, bx is by by is sawa, slopes are equal, so you can write like this, is equal to only the constant c will change. Only the constant c will change. Similarly, perpendicular means the product of the slopes must be equal. On multiplication of the slope, you should get -1. How to write it is ax plus by is equal to c. I want to write a perpendicular line. This line is given. You want to write the perpendicular line. I repeat, a line is given. You want to find another line perpendicular to this line. So for that one, you remember Magas, this b will come here bx, and this a will go here as minus a. See this? B will come here bx plus sawa plus, this a will go here minus ay is equal to, constant will change. Here only you have to find only c. See this? K is equal to majhul means what? In this question what you have to do? You have to find only c. In this question what you have to do? You have to find only k. Let us do a problem. Find an equation of the line that passes through the point -2, 2 and is parallel to the line 2x minus 4y minus 8 equals 0. What is this given line 2x minus 4y minus 8 equals 0? This is the given line. This is the given line. What you have to do? You want to find an equation of a line parallel. You want to find an equation parallel to this line passing through this point. So we write it. Given line is 2x minus 4y minus 8 equals 0. Given point is -2, 2. Here is the given point -2, 2. Once again, you write xy or x1, y1, it doesn't matter. Xy or x1, y1. So this is 2x minus 4y minus 8 is a given line. Parallel line. See this parallel means same thing. Same ax plus by, 2x minus 4y. Here instead of c you need k. So here it says -8. Instead of -8 you have to write plus k is equal to 0. What is your duty? Your duty is to find k only. So put this point -2, 2, this xy. Replace with x is equal to 2 and y equal to 2. So 2 times x will be -2, -4, y will be 2, plus k. Use calculator please. I will tell you in another video how to use calculator. K is equal to 12. K is equal to 12. Okay. Now 2x minus 4y plus k. This is your answer. 2x minus 4y plus k. K is equal to how much? 12. So you write this is the answer. Or if you divide by 2, you divide by 2 you get x. If you divide by 2 you get 2y. If you divide by 2 you get 6. This or this is the answer. I repeat, what is the question? A line is given. You want to find the parallel line. How to write the parallel line? The same xy will come. Instead of 8 you will get k. Now I will change the question. This is not there in this question. This is another question. Suppose you want to find a perpendicular line. How to find it? First you write the given line 2x minus 4y minus 8 equals 0. This is not there in the question. I am teaching you extra. 2x minus 4y minus 8 equal to 0. And you want a perpendicular line. Instead of parallel, you want a perpendicular line. So perpendicular line means what is the rule here? This y coefficient Eden means here. Y coefficient should come here, x coefficient should go here. So here, what is y coefficient? -4, x coefficient is how much? 2, which will go here as -2. This -4 sawa, whereas 2 will become -2. So -4x plus -2y, this instead of 8, you should write k equal to 0. Now after getting it, put the point -2, 2. Here is the point given, -2, 2, 2. Replace x by -2 and y by 2. So -4 sawa, x is -2 here, -2 plus sawa, -2, y is again 2, y is equal to 2 plus k is equal to 0. Use calculator, beautiful calculator, same thing you type it and you get k equal to -4. So what is your answer? This is your answer. What is it? This is your answer. Where is your answer? -4x -2y plus k. This is your answer. See, I put a tick mark. K means how much you got it? -4 equal to 0. You can leave it like this or divide by -4x plus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. This is clear? Now let us do the last problem. So it will take a little this thing. So what is the question? Find the equation of the line that passes through the point 2, 4 and is perpendicular to the line. So what you have to find? Perpendicular. But I am doing both together. One side perpendicular, one side parallel. Because to remember everything. Now first I am finding out the perpendicular. What is this? 3x plus 4y minus 22 is equal to 0. This is the given line. This is the given line. For this given line, you want to find a perpendicular line, Amudi. So what is the rule? This 4 will come here. This 4 will come here under x. X, x, y, y. This 4 will come here 4x. This 3 will go here as minus 3. This 3 will go here as minus 3y. Plus this 22 will not be there. It will be some k. This is your answer. See the tick mark. This is your answer. After finding the value of k, this is my final answer. So this is 4. You put the point 2, 4. Here is the point 2, 4. Point 2, 4. So put that one. X2, x bar, x is 2, y is 4. So 4, x means 2 plus minus 3, y means 4. So this is it plus k. Use your beautiful calculator, you get 4. So this is your answer, 4x minus 3y plus k. K means 4. Here it is, 0. Now, same question is not there in the question, but I am doing it extra. You want to find the parallel. What is the given equation? 3x plus 4y minus 22 is equal to 0. Parallel means same. 3x, 4y sawa. Instead of 22, you write plus k equal to 0. You write plus k equal to 0. So now put the point x is equal to 2, 4 in this one. x2, y4, 3 times 2 plus 4 times 4 plus k equal to 0. Use calculator, you get k equal to minus 2. So the answer will be, this is your answer, 3x plus 4y, k is minus 22, so minus 22 equal to 0. This finishes module 1. Okay, module 2 will also be uploaded in the same way.